Dog's Pennsylvania Cooking. I have some old bananas that need to be used up, and I'm not doing the typical banana bread or whatever. I want to do something a little different, so I am doing a kicked up version of an upside down banana pancake, and I'm going to be doing it in my cast iron. So let's get to it. So I've got my old bananas, brown sugar, regular sugar, buttermilk, my homemade pancake mix. If you're going to buy it in the store and not do your own, even though mine's pretty good, use the Aunt Jemima brand. It'll give it the extra kick this calls for. Some toasted pecans, 2 separated eggs, cinnamon, vanilla, butter, and rum. So for the first part of this, we're going to take a 1/4 cup or half of that stick of butter and melt it here in the cast iron over low. Then we will add our rum in, and then on top of that the brown sugar. Then we're going to cut our bananas and lay them across, because when we flip it out, that'll be the top. Okay, butter's melted. Add in the rum. Give that a stir around quick. And I've turned the heat off, and now I'm going to sprinkle this over. Now we're going to get our bananas ready. And we're just going to lay these in kind of a pinwheel fashion. Okay, now, so that's set. Next we're going to sprinkle the chopped up nuts, over the bananas and the brown sugar and butter mixture. Okay. So next we're going to work on the batter. I added the rest of the butter, and we're going to add half a cup of sugar, reserving a 1/4 cup. And we're going to cream this. And I'm going to add my egg yolks. We're going to try and do this one at a time. Now we're going to add our buttermilk. And remember, if you don't have buttermilk, the easy hack of using a tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar, filling the rest of the 1 cup measure, and letting it sit for 5 minutes, and you have buttermilk. I'm going to add my pancake mix. I'm going to set that aside, because then we're going to do the egg whites and sugar and whip that up nice and stiff, and then fold it into the pancake batter. Now we're going to put in my egg whites, and I'm going to just beat these until we start getting some peaks forming. Now you see how when I pick up, you can see like it sticks up in peaks. Now I'm going to start adding my sugar slowly. pick it up and see the peaks. So this is where we want it, and we're going to fold this into our pancake batter. That's going to give it a loftiness and just take it to the next level. And we're just going to fold this in. Like I said, we're just folding it in. You don't want to actually like stir it because you want it to keep light and airy. Okay, that's combined. And now we're going to pour it over our pan with the bananas and topping. It's going to be so yummy. Like I said, this isn't your ordinary pancake. And we're going to spread it out. Make sure it's all covered. And she's going to go in the oven. We're going to bake this at the 350. Oven's preheated, and for about 40 to 45 minutes. And she's done. Well, you know what comes next. We have to invert her and see how we did. Okay, it's going to be a moment of truth time. We're going to let that cool. Not bad. This is very candied, sort of like a sticky bun topping. Might have been. Cake is done. Wow, it's moist. Can't wait to let it cool, and we're going to give this a try. So it's done. Here's what she looks like. Not perfect, but not bad. I think I would add a little bit more butter, just so it had a little bit more for the caramelization here when it came out of the pan. But I'm pretty happy with it. But now comes the proof, you know. Now we gotta do the taste test. And here you can see the nice cake it makes. How nice and caramelized the top is with the nuts and the banana. Oh man. Oh! Sure like banana bread on steroids. Wow. The nuts and the caramelization and bananas on top. Oh my god. Crunchy sugar. This is a bomb. This is the best way to use old bananas ever. Okay. I don't think I can stop eating this. Banana's finger looking good. So, it tastes a little hint of rum in there too. That's good stuff. So, there you go. There is the banana upside down cake, pancake. It is really good, guys. You got to give it a try. And hey, I did it in my cast iron. Like I said, I think when I write the recipe, I always include the recipes in the description below. And I think I'm going to increase that butter amount a little bit, because I think that's really all I would do a little bit different with this. And I did it for about 40 minutes. That was enough. The pancake portion was all done. So there's an idea for those little bananas. Give it a shot.